Unlock the road to earning with Amazon Flex. Why Euro? Let's get you set up to start delivering today. First, for Android users, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. If you're on an Apple device, navigate to the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type Amazon Flex and then tap the search icon. This will bring up the search results. Locate the official Amazon Flex app. Why Euro? It will typically have the Amazon Smile logo. Tap on the install button next to the app icon. The app will begin to download and install on your device. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an open button appear. You can tap this to launch the app immediately, or find the Amazon Flex icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now that the app is installed, open it and follow the on-screen prompts to sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one to begin your application process for Amazon Flex. You're now ready to explore delivery opportunities and become an independent delivery driver with Amazon Flex.